Hi friends, it's me Tathagoto Sarkar, and here I had just now received a new packet of solar cell from Amazon.in, and it has cost me just rupees 550. And here I am going to uncover it from this packet and see what quality they provide. It is very tight seal pack, and I am going to use this razor sharp blade to cut open the pack. After cutting it open, here I receive these billings. I may require this bill afterwards. And here is a bunch of 4 pieces of solar panels, very genuinely packed. Let's open it. Friends, here is a set of 4 different solar panels, and these are the newly and packed and brand new model. Here is a plus sign and here is a minus, so I am going to assemble it in to make a 12-volt 200 milliamp solar cell, so in my next video. And the circuit diagram I am going to show you later on. Thank you friends, today up to this.